Hello and welcome to MPC Paid to Text. How would you like to start earning $3,500 plus per month by simply sending out great text messages that we create for you and you send them out and you start getting paid? Well, that is what you're going to be doing when you join us over here at MPC Paid to Text. My name is KR and I'm going to be your host for the next few minutes as I show you how to turn your mobile device into a cash generating ATM. Let's get started. The MPC Paid to Text network is a group of like-minded entrepreneurs creating wealth via mobile marketing and social networking. If you have ever desired to earn six-figure income, if you ever desire to earn that six-figure income using your mobile device, this is definitely the community for you. You can now earn $25 per converted text. $25 per converted text message that you send out. That's amazing, right? That means with just a few text messages, you could change your financial situation. Of course you could. MPC Paid to Text network members. MPC members are earning, guys, simply by inviting others to join our texting community. If you have a smartphone, whether it be Apple or Android, right, you can start earning today, as soon as today. Our marketing strategies, how do we get this thing out there? How do we get people interested? Well, you already know we go through social media sites because that's probably where you saw me at, right? You go through social media sites such as Facebook, Twitter, and or Instagram. If you're like most who love social media, you could easily earn $100 to $300 or even more per day. We use simple ad posts to attract the attention of those who are interested in making money using their smartphone. That's super simple, guys. We put a post out there inviting people to take advantage of this. And when they say, yeah, I want to use my smartphone to start making $200, $300 a day, boom, you're paid. That's what it's all about. We also use business card and postcard marketing. How does that work? Well, you simply pass out business cards and postcards when you're out about your day, and that could generate thousands of dollars for you per week. The business and postcard situation opens up doors for you guys where people can actually start a conversation with you and ask you questions right then and there. Well, how does it work? What do I need to do? You can turn around and get someone buying in right then and right there. So that is why our advertising and marketing strategies work pretty well, because we're dealing with two of the best components it is, which is social media marketing and direct in-person marketing. So yeah, you want to definitely take a look at that and get in where you fit in. MPC is all mobile. Each of our steps are completely done via mobile texting using our pre-written copy and paste dialogue. You never have to wonder about the content of your text because our system gives you step-by-step, easy-to-do instructions along with copy and paste text messages. We prepare the text message that you're going to be sending out. We prepare the response that you're going to be sending out. We provide for you the step by step that you're going to give that new person coming in, so that way you don't have to guess at anything. If you can follow steps 1, 2, 3, etc., you can quickly start to see results hitting your bank account as soon as today, guys, and every day after. How we earn. This is very important, so pay close attention to this. How we earn is quite simple. It's all done through what we call mobile monetization. Mobile monetization is when we add an income generator to our phone, either via a mobile app or a direct sales system. In our case, we use both. Our direct sales systems is the MPC Text and Ad Machine Pro, which generates those $25 for you. The powerful texting and ad generating tool can get you up and going immediately because it helps you to create those ads, those texts, those emails, those posts that you need to put out there on social media, email accounts, or through your texting app, your phone. So this thing is powerful and it helps you to earn. Our second thing that we use is our mobile application, which is our texting thing, where you're going to get your own phone number. You're going to have your own phone number where that way you don't have to worry about getting charged on your phone for sending out multiple texts or receiving texts. You get your own phone number attached to your phone. That way you can receive text and send text without being charged. The next application that we put on your phone is Cash App, because we want you to understand that you got to have some way for these people to pay you. Cash App is more than likely the most common. So you want to get that Cash App on there, you want to get that texting app on there, and you definitely want to get the MPC Text and Ad Machine Pro, because that's going to be your money coming in through that Ad Machine Pro. We look for people with mobile devices, which is almost everyone. Do you agree? And we invite them, to earn extra money using, those phones that they got. So if you have a smartphone, right, you can start making money with it. We send them easy instructions via text messages, which explains what we do as well as help them to get set up and earning with their device as soon as possible. There are simple website links and applications, I've already told you about those, that can be added to your phone's desktop within a matter of seconds. For our members' convenience, we use a free texting service. We use a free texting service, so you don't have to worry about your phone data plan being charged or anything like that. By doing this, you would never be charged for sending or receiving text messages. You will have the ability to text and earn as much as you like. Our Cash App is the payment processor of choice that I mentioned earlier. So the app must be downloaded to your device to accept and to send payments. Everybody is aware of that, so that's a no-brainer. Now, this is what a lot of you guys want to hear because a lot of you hate this recruiting. So no recruiting is needed. No recruiting is needed because we are doing direct sales marketing. There's absolutely no teams to build or manage. There's no matrices to fill, and there's absolutely no downlines to supervise. We simply post advertisement inviting people to monetize their phones and get paid daily commissions in our network. That's all we do. Something that's super simple for everyone to do. Let's take a look at a little payment compensation plan. That's why you're here. You want to know what this money is like. When I show you this, it's going to blow your mind because you're not going to be doing a lot of work, but you're going to be earning a lot of money. Moving from the left to the right on the chart, we have the daily text, the per converted text. Converted means that if you send out a text message to somebody, and most likely you won't only be sending messages out to people that ask for information. So when they ask for information on one of your social media sites and you send them information out, when they join, when they say, yes, I want to pay the 25, when they do so, that is considered as a converted text. So you're not getting paid for every text message you sent out. It has to convert to a payment. Let's be clear about that. The new members, right? The new MPC members, we're looking at how many members you're bringing in based upon that $25, and that'll give you your totals over here for daily income, weekly income, and monthly income. Let's move from the left to the right so you can get this and get going and make that money, right? So let's just say, for instance, in a day, you have 5 texts that go out and they've converted $25 each. Right, 5 converted texts at 25 each. That is a total of $125 in daily income. That's not bad. How would you like to make $125 per day? Some people would love to be making $125 per day. So that's pretty good. So that's $125 per day, right? That's daily income, $875 in weekly income, and $3,500 in monthly income. Guys, do you see how much you can make with just a $25 one-time investment and sending out these text messages to people that's asking to be part of the team? That's amazing. That is amazing. Let's go further and go down and look at another number. Let's look at 10 texts. 10 texts converted. It's at $25 each. That gives you a total of $250 for that day. 10 texts in one day is $250. Guys, that's $1,750 per week and $7,000 per, man, come on, quit playing. That is pretty good, right? That is good. That is not bad at all. $1,750 per week. Time those 4 weeks. That is not bad money at all, guys. That is $7 grand. How would you like to have that coming in? Of course you would. That's not bad at all. That's some pretty good money for you not to have to do a whole lot of work to get. So you got to think about it. Can I go out here? Can I post these texts? Can I do what I need to do to get people interested in what it is I'm doing? Yeah, of course you can. Of course you can, guys. It's super simple. All you got to do is put it out there. Let them see what it is you're doing. Everybody want to use their mobile devices. So to get 10 texts out there is absolutely nothing. But let's go to a big banger. Let's say, for instance, you put 20 texts out. 20 texts convert at $25 each. That is $500 per day, guys. $500 per day. That's $3,500 per week, $14K per month. Could you use $14K in monthly income? And it's only going to get bigger and bigger because you're going to have what we call payment proof. When you have that payment proof, people see that you're making that money. They're going to say, yeah, let me in. What I need to do. Do you have a mobile device, Apple or Android? Yes, I do. Here's all you need to do. Text this information to this, that, and another. It gives you everything that you need. We make sure that you have everything you need to do what it is that you need to do. So right now, what you need to be doing is getting ready to get back to the person that sent you this information. Let them know, hey, I've seen the presentation. It makes sense to me. Numbers don't lie. I'm looking down here at the numbers, seeing what I could do when I bring in people at $25 each, and I definitely want in. And when you get in, you're going to start making that money. That's what it's all about. Do you have an Apple and Android device? Do you have a Cash App account? Well, you already qualify. This could be money that you could be making today because this is something that's exciting to people. This is something that people will love to do because everybody has a cell phone, guys. And a lot of people not making money with the cell phone. They're just paying that high bill. So this will be a way to turn your cell phone into a cash generating ATM. So I want to welcome you in advance to MPC Paid to Text. This your man Cashmere Rich, KR, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. You have a great day and take care. Bye-bye.